Hi, welcome to this tutorial. This is a set of data we want to use to run analysis of variance. We want to check if there are significant difference between these scores. Assuming these data satisfy the condition to apply analysis of variance, and these are three groups, at least there are more than two, is one of these conditions. The sample must be randomly selected from a population, and the data must be subjected to normality test and assure that it is normally distributed, aside that it was measured using continuous, a kind of continuous scale, that is scale that either interval or ratio scale. These are test scores, so it's a ratio scale. So to do that, we will need to type in our data, but before we type in our data, we have to create two variables, one for this test scores, then the other one for the grouping. So we'll go to the variable view, then we'll have the test score, which is a scaled, then we'll have the group, which is a nominal. The group is nominal, so we'll have to now create values for it. Shows that 1 should be labeled as A, and 2 should be labeled as B, and 3 should be labeled as C, since we have three groups. So we have created the two variables successfully. So our next thing is to impute our scores. So we just copy these scores here and we apply, then label, then we'll bring in the second set scores, and just copy and paste. We'll have to then bring in the third category of scores. I will label this as 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So when you click on this button here, it shows you that yes, this scores belongs to group A, and this set belongs to B, and this set belongs to C. So having done that, we just go to our analyze, then we'll go to compare means, then we click on one-way ANOVA, since it's a one-way ANOVA we have to do. So transfer the test scores to the dependent list box, then the grouping to the factor. Then we'll click on post hoc test in case if there is a significant difference which is already there. So we'll just click on OK since it has been ticked. So click on OK. So you can see our descriptive statistics for the mean of the group. You can see the standard deviation and error. By visual speculation on the mean scores of the group, you can see 11, 12.4, then 9.8. Is there any significant difference? Then we go to the ANOVA to inspect that. So we just go directly to our p-value. This is our p-value 0.7. When you compare it to alpha value of 0.05, which is almost the standards for social sciences, then we'll see that our p-value here is greater than the alpha value. So therefore we have to retain the null hypothesis that there's no significant difference among the groups. So it means that this difference we observed here, it occurred by chance. It only occurred by chance. It was not a clear difference. So for that reason we retain the null hypothesis. It means that the three groups performed equally. In our next video we'll look at an example where we can see a significant difference, and we work on the post hoc test results. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.